DDOT's 2019 paving season is underway. Crews will be milling and paving roads in all 8 wards across the district. Milling and paving of a roadway generally takes 3 to 5 days to complete, weather permitting. During that time, vehicle owners must park elsewhere. If you see one of these signs or door hangers, your street is one of the 88 miles of road that are scheduled to be repaved this season. To follow DDOT's paving schedule in real time, log on to ddot.dc.gov/pavedc or call 202-671-2700 for questions.